Sale and I'm getting a free hair makeover from Ate. What is your name, Ate?
Alan.
Ate Alan. Yeah, she was very kind enough to offer a free hair makeover because she probably noticed that my hair is like so limp and so dry because I just did not fix my hair before leaving the house. Yay! Well, I'll get back to you later once she's done curling my hair. So this is how you curl your hair with a straightening iron. Twist it once. Cool. Nice. That's how you get it done. So if you're going out on a date and you don't know how to curl your hair, and you don't want to spend money on going to the parlor, go to SM for their free service. And if you get like maybe like 5 times the free service, have the decency to buy their product at least. Done with the first half. Look, namay lang tao diri. Oh my god. Ulaw. Pagkakuha sa camera myself. Oh, nindot. Magwapa. Ay, gwapa lang yun mo daan. Video lang, video. Ibutan ako sa YouTube. Ano siya pangalan ni Mate?
Sa Instant.
Mga brand siya, mga brand. Brand? Instant. Ang brand si Miss JML and si Miss Jazzy Collection. Bakit ba yung Jazzy?
Yay! Down to the first half.
So what we're gonna do is we are gonna comb through. Tama ba, ate? Ako nagdaan ng video sa SM. So we are gonna comb through like this. Para mas mukhang natural. Ana.
Cut na siya.
Huh?
Cut.
Oh, I cut. So this is how it looks like if you comb through your hair. And then this is like the raw one. So we're gonna comb through this side again. What a good one. Nga niya. Gusto niya na kayo ito ba yung English. So just comb through the hair. Lalalala, feel ako na napasyon ni Amor ko. Comb through. Wow. Am I doing the right thing? What do you think, guys? Pwede na ako mag-modeling. Mag-modeling ka, tate. Modeling. Oh, pero tayo. Final lang, final. So, para sa ekonomiya, mag-modeling tayo. At tulong mo sa SM, Ecoland. Nakabisaya na ko. Just go to SM Ecoland and look for ate.
Ako yun.
Ikaw yun. Uy, nabi kay Kota. Ganun. Live ka, Jack? Live! Live!
Wala. Basketball.
Wala basketball.
Wala pa ba dito?
Sama na lang ka sa SM.
Sama SM. Next time.
Next time. Taon gutom ka? Ang champion sa sarap dapat at Daddy's Chicken House. Originally from South Cotabato, non-pork establishment. Gutom ka mo? You hungry? May butang ba yun ako sa YouTube? Ayos na yun, ma. Ayos ba? Pagpagwapa, di smile naman.
Fish pigang.